guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
We will be Nigeria. We won't be Nigeria. Truly speaking to my Heavenly Father. If I dey call life next time, I won't still come for Nigeria. Nigeria people not just good at all. Now, see Gbovo carry has come out. We will see congratulate Gbovo finish. We're going to Gbovo say, bros, this your house get us in peace. You know, say, this Gbovo house, what Gbovo carry come out. Seriously? The house, they dangerous. I never see this kind of house before for my life. Yeah, you get this way they inside this house when I want talk. Una do. No, not talk say lovely, don't start again because with the pitch everywhere they go. Gbovo can celebrate say their prayers. The Gbovo friend, the day where Gbovo celebrate house. Now that day his friend come to say Gbovo hold 8 million naira. He come carry stone. I go say, bros, I better don't go break Gbovo glass for house. Today we Gbovo just open house. Now you just carry stone. This house, people don't talk for outside Facebook. This Gbovo house, yeah, social media where. Now one person go call me because say, Gbovo view house. Now say, Gbovo view house, congratulations. Now person called us say, Mama, how you look the color of that Gbovo? I say, Gbovo house be like playground. Selanya Gbovo ask Selanya Gbovo kire biduwa mawayele. Now the person say, Mama, I don't go talk again. You don't already talk which I want talk. Now I go call another person again. No, we don't come to talk. Because Gbovo viewers, so congratulations. Not waiting the person talk. The person say, Isha men, you don't know whether or so they like color. Now I say Isha men, they be like a parrot where you get different color for their feather. Now the person come tell me say, now so Amano house still be. He say Amano build house finish. Amano, una no Amano na. That Isha guy where they say, oh hi Tovia. He say Amano still build house. Amano use color take paint house. Now laugh. Now go say maybe Ishame. They like color house. But this is Gbovo, we no can understand. You know waiting there is some people where be say there is some houses where people go build. That house, they're supposed to use it to do hotel. This Gbovo house, I don't understand. These people, they know they get they don't get mentor. They know, you know what it make that they be like this. You see some they get money. They go they talk say they too know. I don't know the construction when construct this house for my brother Gbovo. Gbovo build this house. This house of what Gbovo be sure we don't know. Be sure we don't know one and resident. We don't know one and hotel. Okay, wanna see wetin Gbovo build though. I never see this kind of thing before. This Gbovo house is this strange. The color of house be Kasha. Asha wo waiting. Oh yeah, but we don't change all the color now. They come there. Our brother build house. They begin to they give her different name. Oh my God. The construction, you know, see my Zubi. My Zubi say, who get this house? My Zubi now, why is your brother? Now, why is your brother? I get this house. Me and just come and say the color of house be like Ashawu. John for Nigeria. Ashawo John for Nigeria. Use the color. Take polish the beauty of the house. Bad mouth. Yeah, it will finish me for abroad though. You know, this heat, they wanted me well. Oh my God. I don't understand. Zubimaka now can say, on you neku. What it be this? Gbovo. Who is the contractor when he do this house for you? That contractor, will give him 0/0. He no try. And the contractor when he construct this house for you, the architect when architect this house for you, over try. I don't even understand the house. Some people will carry the house, come the house go straight. Some people will carry the house, come the house go bend. I don't know. See Gbovo. Gbovo build a bungalow. He build bungalow inside, he can't build upstairs for inside. Why you not just use this upstairs? You don't use and just build all the whole house. I don't understand. This what not make sense. It can't be like say, Gbovo, I don't understand you. It can't be like say, the gate man when you go carry this, when you go do gate man for Gbovo, Gbovo just see chance, they just build house for gate man. Now gate man, I enjoy this house pass. If they enter house now, if they find gate man now, gate man will come out for inside this house. They say, Oga, good afternoon, sir. You say, you know, no say na gate man. He go say, good afternoon. You go say, we come to see you. Gate man go they say, Oga dey inside. You go say, no, you are the Oga. Because I've never seen even a rich man. A rich man never use this kind upstairs to do gate man house. This house when they carry, they come out of Gbovo. This house not clean. When Gbovo carry this house come out, my husband, with me, saying, no, hotel, no be house. I say, no, house will not be hotel. Okay, your husband come they argue with you. Yeah, I don't understand. When Gbovo showed this house, I be see her official. You see my man, I don't dey drink. Now so I just dey. I don't dey drink. That's what my just dey. As Gbovo they show this house, I can't dey screenshot things when they did this house, you know. I want to screenshot and say, you know, say sometimes you say something like this, you go use them. Something like this, you go use them. I can't screenshot the things. As Gbovo they say, see my cupboard, see my where they do this thing. I screenshot everything. As I screenshot and finish, my mind tell me say, go delete them. I can't say why. I leave them. My mind tell me say, delete. Mara, you are going? Yeah. Okay, bye. Do it. My mind can't tell me say, make I delete them. Me, if I see house, say that house, if you show that house, say I like the house, I like things when they did the house, I will screenshot them. If I screenshot them, I will give them to my brother, because my brother, my junior brother, and I be my mentor, my junior brother. I can't tell brother say, see you, because he know they too much get time, he they work. I can't say that for you. I'll say, brother, see this one, how you look this one, and you go tell me, say, this one is suit, is good. Then if I see another one, I'll see screenshot them. Go send and go give my brother many things. What they do, most of them, na Facebook now they see most houses, most things when they pick for inside houses. Now Facebook now for they pick the things, you know. I can't screenshot Gbovo on. As I screenshot Gbovo, my mic got to say go delete them. I got to say I they see houses. If I screenshot something when they inside, wait till they decorate the house, I will screenshot her. Send and go give my brother. But my mind never tell me say delete her. Why my mind can't tell me say make I delete Gbovo on? Once my mind tell me something, I dey do one. Then I got to say, that cupboard, that's a cupboard. I like this thing, the wardrobe, the wall wardrobe. I like the color. I can't say no, I no go delete her. My mind tell me say go delete her. I can't say why my mind they tell me say make I delete something when I collect for this house. I can't to delete her. Yeah. And where they sell gate, where they sell mambo, people when they use mambo to do house. If I like her, I will screenshot and go give my brother. Even the roof itself, those ties roofing. Now person now see, I screenshot her, I go give her to my brother. And my brother thought he say, you know how much for this roofing when I carry come. So I tell my brother, I say, I know, say he dear. I know, say he dear. And my brother say, this one na money. I tell my brother, I say, no problem, you know. Now person house, see, if they just open door small, I will just run come. I don't like fly. You know, after I go collect something for the house, my mind tell me say I go delete. I can say, but if I see houses and they collect something for inside, I don't collect something for the house. I will want make I use them. You know now, we know say we know the too much talk. Maybe they don't come to say lovely. You don't see they talk again, lovely. They tell if they do something, we know they show them. People they now when they build house. If you they build house, you they go for Facebook. Not be Facebook, you go they look. Now houses, now you go they see for there. You'll see Christian say, I like this this pillar. I like this artwork when they do for year. Yeah, you'll see Christian like if I see some artwork when they do, I'll Christian, I will give my brother say this artwork, I like her. But I don't want make house the house go they busy. No. I can't collect something for year. No, I can't see that cupboard. I love the cupboard. I can't collect the wardrobe. You got another thing again when I see collect. My mind can't tell me say go delete her. I can't say why? Why my mind tell me say I go delete that thing? Why? I can't say better they collect for some people. If I see beautiful thing when they take do house, like one gate, I create the gate, like this thing protector. You get one protector. I create the protector. You know, as I go collect something for inside this house, my mind tell me say make I delete her. And I say no. Why my mind will tell me say make I delete her? The mind still tell me say delete her. I dey follow my mind. I come to true just delete her. You know. Now. This house when Gbovo build, the contractor of this house, he don't know work. The architect of this house, he don't know work. Our brothers spend money for year. We know us aware for spend money. Most of them they say na Facebook, YouTube, now for spend money. No, our brother get another job when they do not be YouTube money they build this. Not be Facebook money they build this one. That one lie. Not be Facebook money, you know. Then this house now, everybody they shall say this house the color too much. When me with one person talk, I say the house be like it look like playground. It look like playground. Even if you say you want to build hotel, you don't build hotel like this. Color too much. You know where this house was for fine now. I will say Gbovo one do one. You will just paint this house pure white. Pure white. Okay, that be leke. Now this house for just fine. Everybody they say the house me first talk I say this house be like playground. Be like where if you reach where children they play for abroad. Now so their playground they be if evening can't come, if the owner. Now no say you get where children they play. If you reach hospital, the department when children they for abroad. Now so that they color. And some people say the color too much. True, the color too much. What did they go do? I will say Gbovo fit change this color now. Now money go see spend for there. It too day busy. You know fine. You know fine. We say now pure white now. You see this house. You go find where. And how can this man now? Wow. How can this man build duplex? No, not even duplex, just downstairs. He built downstairs, he stay. He built upstairs, He say he build am for gate man and bar where he go dey drink. One brother, you no fit use your residence take turn to public this thing. I wish wetin you for just do now, this house now, when you do so, you get as the way when it be. I for not talk say you just use am take do hotel. Because on top of that house, they drink for there. Then inside the remaining house, they give an out for hotel. Now this house good for. This house for residents, no, this house is not fine for resident. And he make a lot of mistake. And this guy waste money there. He too waste money. He too waste money. This upstairs when he do with gate man house with where you want to drink beer. Did you know say na it there pass that one? Na it there pass that downstairs, this upstairs so. He just waste money for this upstairs. And he not use and take do anything. Say he want go dey drink or top. No. You know what they worry most our people? There is some business when una go put una money. When how they put una money? Maybe the place when you forget the land, maybe if you say before you go open eye, you go take. No. You for find something use and do. No. This one no, you're not too bam like that. You just be like say you waste money. This is not encouraging. Any youth that want to build house, no, this house not there encouraging. I will say now only that apartment he gets now, that downstairs, not only that downstairs he get for inside this compound now. If for just good, the money when he build this upstairs, if for just keep on. Be like say this upstairs, he be like say he waste the money. He waste that upstairs money for just keep on. Well, sha, we still congratulate you in case if you won't build house next time, bros. The one when you want sleep, no, the one when you want sleep, you will give her to gate man. The one when gate man want sleep, you will take her to yourself. You see this one so that upstairs, you just waste that money. How many people want come follow you? They drink. One, you cannot use your resident you don't feel use your resident take turn to where they bar, where they drink. Because your pikin dey there, your wife dey there, thief can enter your house. Okay, now only you one now want to drink for you. Thief can enter your house. That upstairs, I will say how you want do am now safe. I don't know how you will do am. That upstairs now waiting for just do now. That on top, just use and take do 2 rooms, and you know if you use am again. But use and take do 2 rooms to put toilet now. It go dey hard. You for just rent that one out for apartment every year. You dey get your money. You know, I don't know. Now so my people, now we can see say we can see talk about this Gbovo house. Congratulations, bros. But your architect is not a good architect. Your contractor is not a good contractor. I have never seen this kind of a house before. How can a downstairs, a downstairs can't get upstairs when they take this security house? They happen like that. Me, I never see you. I dey check Facebook. I dey check if you now reach my gallery. Things when they take the build house, things when they take the build house, now in full my gallery. If I just the one when I just see use finish, I just see delete her command. The one when I use finish, I just delete her command. You know what they talk now? Maybe if they see this video now, they'll say, "Lovely, shut up. You were not they do anything. Now you they can't talk of person where he do." No, you just build. As you build that this thing now, that downstairs finish. Even if say you won't do boys cutter put, boys cutter supposed to day back. Then you go shift that one, you shift and come front. It don't make sense now. This has not made sense at all. Anybody won't tell you say this has made sense. Because you cannot use your resident to turn to where they drink. It's not possible. Because you not be ogidi gang. Even a policeman, even army man, no fit use the resident, they turn to where they drink. In case of in family, because your family they inside your house there. May thief no go enter one day. May they no go because people will come. They come. Friend, how you did? Friend, how you did? The one when they carry they come. You don't know whether now this. They'll say, you see that house? You go say yes. They'll say that house. They happen for that house. Papa, give me one of this thing there, fruit. He go say something they happen for that house, so thief enter. You don't need to. Huh? The fruit is finished. The small one. Okay. Can you share that mango with me? Just bring it. Let me cut it.